Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, then leave it for a friend. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Cancer, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. You are going towards happiness. Maybe may mga long-term plans kayo. Okay, investment. And nagkaroon ng mga kasanagan. May mga iniisip kayo na mga projects. Okay. If you've been confused before, now you have the clarity. Okay. A wish come true. Okay. A new home. So may mga taong sumusuporta sa inyo tungkol sa projects, okay, or sa business na gusto ninyong umpisahan. This is about long-term stability. Okay, and security for you sa family mo or sa trabaho, Cancer. May mga bright ideas kang naiisip and you've been successful about it, okay? You're very hopeful. May mga taong tutulong sa inyo, susuportahan ka. Okay? This project, this work or business is something na makapagbigay sa inyo ng contentment and happiness. Parang na-achieve mo kung anong gusto mong mangyari, Cancer. Yeah, so this is a calling for you. Okay? May bagong buhay na darating sa inyo. Bagong direksyon. Maybe magpapalit ka ng trabaho. Okay? Change of job. Change of location. Okay? Aalis ka na doon sa sitwasyon na parang nahihirapan ka, na walang security. Okay? Walang stability. There is something good that will come to you, Cancer. Okay? Do not underestimate yourself. Be confident. Okay? May mga magandang nangyayari sa inyo. Kailangan lang magtiwala sa sarili. Okay? There is a celebration, okay? Tagumpay. Maybe you will be meeting some friends to celebrate with. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, despite sa mga happenings, magagandang nangyayari sa inyo, meron pa rin kayong naisip at the back of your mind. Okay, parang bumabagabag. Some of you hindi na nakakatulog ng maayos. Sleepless nights. Okay. Balance your emotions, Cancer. Huwag hayaan na madistorbo ka, mag-bother sa iyo yung mga negative thoughts. Everything will be okay. Everything will be alright. It is controlled. You are protected and guided by the divine. Cancer. Do not worry over things na sometimes nonsense or hindi naman problema talaga, okay? Do not overthink. Do not worry too much, Cancer. Everything will be alright. Just trust. Trust the process, Cancer. Maybe some of you are worried about a group of people. Okay, mga kasamahan sa trabaho. It seems that hindi maayos ang samahan or you're not seeing eye to eye with these people. Okay, but you are controlling yourself. You're just being positive. Yeah. You're going for your goals. You are reaching your goals, okay? And by that, you have to remove people or a situation na hindi nakakatulong sa inyo. Okay? Kasi ikaw yung porsigido, okay? Determinado ka sa mga gusto mong gawin. May mga goals ka. But you can't do it is because for some people, it's because of the people around you na parang pinipigilan, okay? Ang inyong success. Hindi ka sinusuportahan. Okay? And you have to move away from them, okay? You need to cut them off. Okay? Mga toxic people, toxic situation, you have to move away. Pursue your dreams. Continue lang sa mga goals mo, kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Be consistent. Okay? May mga sudden na mga mangyayari, okay? Revelation. Na parang kinagugulat mo na hindi naman dapat mangyari yun. But then, nangyari. And you are very protective of yourself. Okay? You are standing up for what you believe in. Pinaglalaban mo kung ano yung tama. Okay? You feel that you are not supported. Okay? Sa grupo or sa mga katrabaho mo, ng mga boss mo. And this is something that makes you feel na parang napag-iwanan ka or ikaw yung bad guy. Okay? May mga delays sa mga dapat gawin dahil may mga taong nangingialam or kumukontra. Cancer. Ito yung mga messages or mensahe, no, na lumalabas sa inyo. But you know you are very well protected. Continue ka lang sa goals mo, sa success, okay? Believe in yourself. Be confident na makakayanan mo yung mga kailangan mong gawin sa trabaho. If you are up for a promotion, okay? Be confident. Okay, may mga tao talaga na naninira, okay? Nagbibigay sa inyo ng mga worries, pero wag kayong magpadala sa kanila. Protect yourself, defend yourself, Cancer, because you do not deserve that kind of treatment. Okay, na parang binabaliwala ka. Okay? Things are happening to you, good things, material things, there is wish fulfillment. Okay? Hayaan mo lang yung mga taong nanggugulo sa inyo. Kung ano man itong bumabagabag sa isip ninyo. Okay? You are protected. Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. More message please for Cancer. Cup. You should accept valid criticism. Okay? So, protect yourself, defend yourself. Yung mga nag-criticize sa inyo negatively, hindi maganda, ignore them. Just accept valid or good criticism. Woman, dealings or relationship with a woman. Okay? For some of you, may concern sa isang babae. Okay? Katrabaho man to. A boss. Bell, announcement. Older woman. Puro mga babae, okay? Dealings or relationship with an older woman. Merong mga nangingialam. Older. Mas matandang babae. Siguro problema to, nangingialam. sa buhay mo. Barrel, you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Okay? Believe in yourself, Cancer. May magandang mangyayari sa inyo. Family sorrow, weeping willow, okay? There is a concern, maybe. Okay? Maybe from your family, maybe a family member, meron kayong kailangang bigyan ng atensyon. Meron kayong bigyan na solusyon. Okay? It calls for your attention, Cancer. Let us see, ano pa yung mga message sa'yo. Message please for Cancer. Sometimes walking away is the only option, not because you want to make someone miss you or realize they took you for granted, but because you finally respect yourself enough to know you deserve better. Okay? So Cancer, ito yung mga message sa inyo. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye!